Zephy, and here's my brother, Pipoh, and today we're going to make bread pudding. And we welcome you to our kitchen. And the ingredients are
3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, and bread. Don't forget to cut it into pieces.
1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. And you also need a whisk, mixing bowl, large spoons, tin,
We'll crack 3 eggs.
into the mixing bowl. And don't forget to throw your cracked shells into the tin.
Pour the condensed milk.
Into the mixing bowl. And also pour the evaporated milk.
And you can also add sugar.
And stir it, guys. And add the sugar. And stir it evenly.
Vanilla extract, salt, and melted butter.
Have you eaten this, people?
Not yet, but we can try.
Mix it well. And then you can add the bread with your hands, but first you need to wash your hands. Okay, let's add the bread.
Almost finished.
And we're done. Then you can mix it. Spread what you think, guys. You need to spread the sides too.
Some mixture into the tin.
So guys,